Imagine a courtroom scene. Intense testimony, a lawyer jumps up and shouts, "Objection!" What happens next is a crucial moment that can shape the entire legal process. Have you ever wondered about the immediate impact of those two words? Sustained, Your Honor. When a judge sustains an objection, it means the judge agrees with the lawyer who made the objection, ruling that the question asked or the evidence presented is improper under the rules of evidence or courtroom procedure. The specific consequence is that the witness is not permitted to answer the objectionable question, or the objectionable evidence is excluded and will not be considered by the jury or the judge. This judicial decision to sustain an objection serves several fundamental purposes within the adversarial system. Firstly, it upholds the rules of evidence, which are designed to ensure that trials are fair and that only reliable and legally admissible information is presented. These rules prevent speculation, hearsay, leading questions, and irrelevant testimony from influencing the proceedings. Secondly, sustaining an objection protects the integrity of the fact-finding process, ensuring that the jury or the judge, as the trier of fact, makes decisions based on sound legal principles rather than on potentially misleading or prejudicial information. Thirdly, it maintains order and decorum in the courtroom, allowing the proceedings to advance efficiently and justly. For those observing a trial, understanding a sustained objection means recognizing that the disallowed information will not become part of the official court record for consideration. If a question was objected to and sustained, the examining attorney must rephrase the question to comply with the rules or move on to a different line of inquiry. Conversely, if an attorney objects and the judge overrules the objection, the witness may answer the question, or the evidence is admitted for consideration. A judge's ruling on an objection is an immediate and critical exercise of their authority to control the flow and content of the trial. The power to sustain objections is an integral part of a judge's role as the impartial arbiter, ensuring adherence to procedural fairness and legal standards. It is not merely a formality but a dynamic aspect of judicial oversight. Each ruling helps to safeguard due process and contributes to a just outcome by filtering out inappropriate material that could otherwise improperly sway a jury or judge. Ultimately, a sustained objection underscores the judge's commitment to a fair trial, reminding everyone that legal proceedings operate under strict guidelines. It reinforces the principle that justice is best served when decisions are based solely on properly introduced and admissible evidence, maintaining the integrity and credibility of the entire judicial system.